You can easily fix the P0140 engine code by cleaning the MAF sensor. This means that the O2 sensor circuit on bank 1, sensor 2, has no activity detected by the powertrain control module PCM. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. Mass airflow sensor is a device in a car that measures the amount of air entering the engine. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment attached to the air cleaner housing. A faulty MAF sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. So here is the practical solution to fix the P0140 error code at home. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes, Scion, Acura, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, and Chevrolet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.